How to install Telegram on Android. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily install Telegram on your Android device. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Once you are inside your Google Play Store, you'll see a search button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Then in the search bar at the top, type Telegram. You'll see the official app called Telegram by Telegram Affiliate LLC. Tap on Install and wait for it to download. This usually takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is completed, tap on the Open button. Once you tap on the Open button, the app will be opened instantly. From there now, tap on Start Messaging. Now just enter your phone number, verify it with the code you receive, and you are all set to start chatting. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded Telegram on your phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.